Today we will see how to package with Google Gemini. So to generate the Google Gemini API, we have a link here. You can click on the link or you can just search on Google for AI Studio. If you search for AI Studio API, then you will find Google Studio page. Click on it, and after clicking, you must use your Gmail account. You have to sign up. For example, I already have a Gmail account, so I'm already logged in. If you are logged in with Gmail, you will come directly to this page. If you are not logged in, just click on Gmail to log in, and then you will arrive here. After coming to this interface, or you can come here in another way. Once you are here, click on API key. Before this, if you want, you can click on project to input a project if you have a premium API key from Gemini. And if you want to get a free API key, in that case, just click on API key and then click on create API key. Suppose you click there, you will see that an API key has been created at 1 o'clock. Now that the key has been created, just click on it and add this key to our interview section in Google Gemini. After adding it, just click a little and check if it is validated. If it is validated, then save it. So there is another thing here, which is that the one you just added, you can see it says free tier here. That means this is completely free for you to add. However, if you get the Google Cloud 300 credit account, if you have a card, you can create a Google Cloud 300 credit account. But definitely keep in mind, after the 300 credits are used up, they will automatically deduct dollars from your account. So always remember this when using it. They will give you a trial up to 300 credits. That means for testing, you will get $300. So before you use up the $300, you should remove your card. And if your card has no money, then they will not be able to deduct anything. So in this case, you need to be careful with the cloud. There is already a process for setting up Google Cloud on our channel. So after activating Google Cloud, you will come back to this studio. Once here, click on project. After clicking on project, you will click on the input project. By clicking on the input project, you will input all the projects. After importing all the projects, you will see something. Some of them have a free tier here. You'll see a few labeled as tier 1. For those projects labeled as tier 1, you can click here and create an API key under that project. In that case, the limit will be much higher. The limit for this will be much higher than the normal free tier. Basically, you'll be able to use all of Gemini Nano. So this is actually the studio's 1 o'clock system for getting the API. There are two systems. 1 o'clock is the free tier, and the other is if you can activate the $300 trial testing credit. In that case, you can import the project here and generate the API key. In this situation, we'll get tier 1, not the free tier. Keep in mind, during the $300 credit period, you must get tier 1. When you get tier 1, then their user limit will increase and you'll be able to use it very smoothly. Thank you. That's it.